Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install Android 14 on any Android smartphone. So I said because I mean the Android phone by the year of 2023 is the minimum devices. So but make sure your phone is supported this a Android 14. You can search by the internet the type of your phone is supported or not supported by installing this operating system. So after that, you can go to the next step by go to the settings, a feature or settings option here, and try to activate developer mode. You can try a search the way in the internet because it's different. The device is depend on your devices. So you can go to the additional settings and try to search developer mode here, developer option, I'm sorry. So after developer option is enabled here, you can try to search the OM unlock, allow bootloader to be unlocked, this one. So once this activate, so make sure your OM unlock, allow bootloader to be unlocked here, and after that, and also your phone is must be supported by a 10 GB free space and also support for dynamic partition. So after that, you can search this DSU loader, load the dynamic system update image. Here, as you can see, if you are not supported by Android 14, the DSU just the selected DSU is limited. So try to use one of the DSU here. So you can select the DSU, one of the DSU. So if you're supported, the word will be T, not A, like this. So T, it means tiramisu, the type of the Android 14. So after that, the installation will be load, and please wait to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.